Hi, Steve Watts, Sotheby's, Watts Angle. Hey, Matthew, there's been the last 90 days or a little even more, there's been a lot of changes in the insurance industry in the state of California, not only because of the fires, the tragedies that went on in Hawaii. I know they're going to have issues there, but we also had a little bit of land movement up in Palos Verdes at the peninsula. Yeah. And I know that there's some companies, you've done some research with some of the insurance companies that are exiting California. What's going on?
Yeah, it's a great question, and this is probably one of the questions I get most on our open houses and the buyers I work with. Hey, I might love the house, I can afford it, but will I be able to get insurance on it, which is a big thing. And due to a lot of the fires, rising costs of construction, replacement, the industry with government regulations is being really hurt, and so you have big carriers, State Farm, Allstate, have pulled out. USAA just recently came out with new regulations on restricting policies.
Wow.
So this is really hard. Safeco restricted, pulling out of certain markets, even if not the whole state. So buyers are in a really tough position.
Can you still get
Yes.
insurance? All right.
You can still get insurance.
Because a lender's not going to make a loan if you don't get homeowners insurance.
And what we're seeing here is very dynamic, is now usually around, say last year, we wouldn't even worry about homeowners insurance until day 20 in the escrow process of a 30-day escrow, because we knew we would get it. Now, when we get an offer, we're telling, on our listing end, we tell the buyer's agent, can you get insurance? You need to show proof of insurance 5 days into this transaction, because we need to know that this will close, because a lender will not close without insurance.
So what I'm seeing as well is a house has to pre-qualify as a buyer does with their lender.
Really good
A
point.
house now has to pre-qualify to be able to be insured. And in most cases it will. Shrubbery,
Yeah.
fire, they still can get. Some of you may know that Manhattan Beach is a tsunami zone. However,
Yeah, and the whole hill of Palos Verdes is a fire hazard.
High fire hazard
That's right.
area.
So, but insurance carriers, will cover you.
Yep.
And there's options. So if you have any questions, we're here to walk you through it. And that's the good news. It's very dynamic. There's going to be legislation coming out that's trying to address the gaps that are there. But the good news is there are policies available.
Great.
We're here to walk you through it if you have any questions.
Great. Perfect. Thank you.